Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 19, 2025 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong January 19, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, January 19, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 19, 2025, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, January 19, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of January 19, 2025, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.